I wanted to do this in French and in English for all my friends and family that don't speak French. So because I've been asked for videos of how I do this, I wanted to share how I do my planting of my seeds. So today I'm doing loofah seeds. Whoops, I've kept them in water for 24 hours so that they would get soft on the outside. I had filled this with dirt with my, this is a great tool for getting the dirt in my containers. I used this home and garden sprayer. It's with pressure. It's so much easier when it's seeds, and even when I have the plants, it's so much easier to use than the one like this by hand. As you can see, I also have water, I don't know what it's called in English, water can, whatever. I have a number of them. And so I fill this with, it's called seedling and sprout, soil mix for seedlings and sprouts. And I only use the approved one for organic culture because all of my gardening is organic. So then I put the dirt in, I put some water in it just so it's humid. I fill my containers. Then I will plant the seeds. Usually I plant 4, even though I only want 1 because I'm going to keep the stronger one. That helps you. I mean, in the long run, if you keep the stronger one out of 4, you're always sure that you'll have a stronger plant in the end. So now, as far as how deep you will plant it, the way I always do it is whatever the height of the seed, you will put as much dirt on top of it as the height of your seed. So if it's a tiny seed like celery, for example, you barely put any dirt on it. And then if it's something like this, loofah seeds that are much bigger, then you'll have more dirt on it. So I already did some for the French version. So I put 4 pretty close together in the center. And I'll do the last one here. So I'll push down on those so that there's about the same height of dirt on top of them. Then I will water the top because, let's see if it's still, yeah. So I'll water the top so it's humid, and I'll be doing that twice a day, in the morning and at night. I'll go and see if it's humid enough, I don't touch it. If it's drying, the top, then I water it again. And now we're only talking about for the seedlings to sprout, to come out. No need for light. Light is not important at this stage. All you want is humidity and some heat, because I have heating pads that I put those on. They're on little cabaret style, I don't know what you call those, little containers like that I use for all my seedlings. So this is my first with the loofahs. I want to try planting some now, and then I'll do the same thing in a month because I want to compare. Some say that you should only plant them 8 weeks before your last frost. Some say it needs, because our seasons are short here for the loofahs, you need longer seasons, so you should try and plant them earlier. So I'm going to try both, and in the garden I'll see which ones do better. Well, last year they did very well, and I planted them at the beginning of April. So, but I still want to do that. I do that very often, try stuff. So, because what works for one person that, let's say, lives in Quebec City might not work for me here. So a good idea is to try different things, and then you can see what works for you in your region, in your area. So that's about it for the first step. I will do another video of the setup with the heating pads after that. That's it.